5, 6. Then, hello guys, on these workouts, I will show you how to do a side lying adoption. Side lying adoption, okay? So guys, let's go. This one is for you guys. You have to lie straight on the floor, okay? You can keep your hand like this. 1, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. You see it, you change. This is a side for ladies. You can do it. You can stay like this. Then be straight. See? Then 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay? Then change. So guys, this is how you do your side lying adoption. So it's good for ladies and also for pregnant women. So if you want to be flexible, this is our morning routine. Make sure you do join us every day. Morning routine you can do at home. Thank you and God bless you.